back to Pokemania. I'm Pokemaniac Chris. And today, we are going to be doing a mass chain of evolutions. Let me slap my lucky egg on real quick as we are ready to go. We're going to go into the first one, which is going to be one that I've been waiting to do for quite a while. It is going to be Kakuna into Beedrill. So let's get going with it. Not had this in the Pokedex. The main reason why I'd say is because I like XP farming, and I've kind of slowly stopped doing that just because I've decided to do more mass evolutions, which would create more experience, of course. So that's a new Pokemon to the Pokedex, which is 1,000 experience. So I think this is in total 2,000 experience that I'm getting because it's a new Pokemon and also the evolution. So Beedrill looks pretty good. And yes, 2,000 experience because it's a new Pokemon. Looks pretty cool. Again, new Pokemon. Then we're going to move on to a pretty simple one, which is just going to be a Pidgey into a Pidgeotto. Nothing too big. I'm just going to transfer it afterwards. I just want to get the most experience out of this. And yes, I believe there are going to be 2 or 3 more evolutions that are going to be new Pokemon. So here we go. 1 evolution. Just going to be transferred afterwards. But, looks pretty cool. Of course, I have a couple of them. So now we're going to go down to my next evolution, which is quite a ways down. We've got Sandshrew into Sandslash. Here we go. Again, nothing too big, because Sandshrew isn't the best of Pokemon. I mean, Sandslash, sorry. Sandshrew, of course, is not very good at all. But at least I'm going to get another 1,000 plus CP Pokemon, which is nice. Also getting experience. This is probably the most common Pokemon for me, Sandshrews. But I'm not complaining because it's pretty easy to evolve them. So we keep going down. Actually, I almost had enough to get another Golduck, but sadly I did not. Mankey into Primeape, another pretty common Pokemon around my parts. So, again, just another 1,000 plus CP Pokemon. Nothing too special. Just doing it for the XP, really. I think this is going to be my highest CP Primeape, though, which is nice. Let's see, 12,040, yep, the highest one for me. I do have enough Growlithe candy to get an Arcanine. It's not the best IV Growlithe, so it's not like it's going to go into my team, but this is going to be a pretty high CP, Arcanine, just by the basis of its CP. So here we go. My prediction is going to be 1726. CP? Wow, actually, that's more than I thought. Moveset's alright. But again, still just going to be using that one, the 2031 CP. I'm going to skip this Poliwag, which is one that I'm going to have to evolve. I'm not actually going to evolve. No, I am going to evolve this Machop into a Machoke. This one probably just going to have to transfer right afterwards. I don't know. I just keep a lot of Machokes because most of them are 1,000 plus CP Pokemon. But really, it doesn't matter that much. I do have Machamp, but I believe it has the worst possible moveset. And the same thing kind of happened with my Nidoking. But I'm not going to complain. I have a lot of other pretty good Pokemon. Now we are going to appraise this, actually. I forgot what it was. It certainly caught my attention. So we're going to evolve this into a Graveler, and then evolve it into a Golem. So we're doing a 2-step evolution here. I actually did not realize I had these many evolutions. So we had 2,000 at the beginning, so we're going to see how much XP we get in total. And I don't have a problem with using my lucky eggs. Worst case scenario, I just keep adding my Pokemon to gyms and get more Pokecoins. So now we're going to evolve it once more into our Golem. I hope this actually gets a good moveset, because there's potential for it going into my team if I power it up a bit. I had a Golem before, but again, not the best IVs, not the best CP. And look at that thing. It's pretty scary if you ask me. I don't understand how a lizard came out of the rock, but it doesn't really matter. 1445, and of course, it has pretty bad moves. I mean, the special attack is the worst part about it. But then I'm gonna go down a little bit, see if there's any other evolutions I can do. No. Oops. Jeez, that was not good. Gonna keep going down. Here we go. Rhyhorn into Rhydon. This is actually going to be pretty good. I don't know about the IVs, but for CP, it's pretty good. We'll just have to wait and see. Again, if it has a good moveset, has the potential to get into my top 6. Well, not top 6, but my 6 Pokemon team. But realistically, I don't see it happening. Moveset is alright, but Mega Horn isn't the best of moves. I guess I can't remember if there's any more that I need to do. I can't do Magikarp yet. I think that we're gonna have to go back up to the final 2, which is Slowpoke into Slowbro. Let me appraise it real quick. It's a Wonder. Alright, so this is the good one. Confusion and Psyshock. We're gonna evolve it. This is gonna be a new Pokemon. Come on, come on. I'm really hoping for a good moveset, and this is most likely gonna take the spot of the Vaporeon that I have in my team, most likely. If it has a good moveset, and also if it comes out as a good CP. Look at that thing. That is gorgeous. Let's see. Adding it to the Pokedex. Here we go. And the CP is 1245. That's not that good. And it actually has Confusion and Psychic, which is it's not the best moveset, but it's one of the best. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna have to power that guy up. And I believe we have come I believe we've come to my final evolution, which is going to be Poliwag into Poliwhirl into Poliwrath. And now I didn't use this Poliwhirl because it's not likely to make much headway in battle. So I'm going to be using this Poliwag to evolve it all the way up to a Poliwrath, which is one of my, if not my favorite Pokemon just ever. So here we go. This is the one that I've really been waiting for. Super excited about it just because Poliwrath is such a good Pokemon. And the IVs on this are really good. And also, after catching so many of them, I could probably power it up to the max. I don't have a problem with doing that. I've been saving up my Stardust just for moments like this. 752. I praise it again. Just wonder still. Okay, so here we go. We're going to have 44 candies after this to power it up. But here is the new Pokemon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm pretty sure this is the last evolution. If it isn't, I'm going to look like an absolute doof. But there he is. Boom, right there. Poliwrath. Looks absolutely awesome. And my guess for CP is 1432. I actually don't know what it comes out in evolution. 1432? 1413. And it's got the worst moveset. Well, actually, no. Mudshot, technically speaking, isn't the worst. It's actually the best. And it only has one other move. But damage per second-wise, it's good. I don't know about submission, though. So thank you guys so much for watching this mass evolution. And how much XP did we get? We got a total of 15,000 experience. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.